Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ekta. I hope you all are staying safe and doing good. So I was thinking to make this video from a very long time. So finally I've got a chance to make this video with the help of my lovely sister. So in this video I will be taking you along my makeup collection, what all things I have, like lipstick, highlighters, eyeliners and all that stuff. So I'll be taking you along with me and we'll be showing you everything in a little detail. But I'll be coming with a part 2 of this video surely very soon, where I'll be keep showing you my makeup, which will be like kept in more organized and better way. So yeah, for now let's get started with this video. Also follow me on Instagram. My username will be somewhere down, and tell me what are the ways that you use to keep your makeup more organized way. So yeah, let's get started with the video. Okay guys, so let's start with this box that I have here. So in this I have few this is Fit Me foundation. This is a BB cream which I use from Pond's, from Fair and Lovely. This is MAC ka foundation. This is again Fit Me ka foundation jo khatam ho gaya hai. Then this is Miss Claire ka stick foundation which I love. This is Miss Claire ka translucent powder. This is Fit Me ka translucent powder and I really love this one. Then in this one I have again kept my brushes. I'll just show you. Yeah, I have kept my few brushes over here. I've washed them and kept it. So that's it about this box. Let's jump on to another one. Okay guys, so let's see what I have in this pouch. So this is a very cute small highlighter which I used to use in my flights during my initial days. So yeah, this is also a highlighter from CoverGirl which is really cute, and yeah, the color is also amazing. This is what my sister got from me once. This is a blush on which is from Calabar. I really like the shade. It goes with every skin tone and every kind of dress. It's really amazing shade, yeah, from Calabar. Then this is a blusher which I have from Miss Claire. This is a palette which has eyebrow highlighter, and then you have the eyeshadow shades which I use it on my flights. I really like this palette because it's very convenient, it's very small and it has everything. So yeah, I love this one. My most favorite, this is from Miss Corina, got it from Dubai. This has these shades, shimmery shades, which I really love. So the shades are very beautiful, as you can see. I really love each shade of this, so I really love this palette. So yeah, amazing palette, you can get this one. Then I have these two palettes which look similar, but these are not similar. So the reason why I got these two, because there were some shades which this one didn't have, and there were some shades which this one didn't have. So I eventually end up getting both of them. So yeah, this is amazing with few pinks and then orange colors, and then this has again, this has a pink, but this pink and this pink is different. Again, this has a hot pink kind of a shade, then this is a peachy shade. Yeah, so amazing colors this also have. Then this is a highlighter from a local market in Dubai. Then this is a face contour highlighter palette. Yeah, so these are the 4 colors that you get in this. This is really amazing. I have tried once, so I really love this one. That was it. Let's go on to the another box. Okay, so let's start with my eyeshadow palettes. These are the ones I have. I don't have a huge collection of eyeshadow palettes. So one of these is this one. Let's start. This is from Sweet Rose. These are the colors it has, and I really love all the shades in this. As you can see, light shades are here. This is a shimmery grey. This is again a darker version of that, and this is shimmery kind of black. I really love this one. This is really sexy. This you can also use as a highlighter. I have used it quite a times, like as a highlighter. So yeah. Then this one is like really old. I don't know from where it is. Okay, so this palette is from Savannah Colors Ultra Metal Eyes and Contour Palette. I really like this palette. It has the light shades like these and then the metallic shades. You can use shades like these as a highlighter also. I've used it at quite a times. So yeah, this has amazing shades. I really love this one. आप देख ही सकते हो, this is like very used. Then I got this one from Hanging Nudes. ये भी बहुत टूट चुका है, बहुत पुराना है. I've used it a lot of times as you can see, but then this has amazing shades. Amazing. Then I have this palette from ADS. This has all the glittery shades, as you can see, pink, red, orange, blue, green. All the glittery shades are there in this for the parties. Then I have this palette, eyeshadow palette from Sweet Rose again. This has all these nudie, subtle kind of colors. Yeah. Then I have this small palette which is from a local market. I really love the glitters. This is kind of a sticky glitters, but then I really love this one, so I just took. This has this grey, this black, yellow, all these glittery colors, so I really like this palette. Okay, this is it for my eyeshadow collection. Okay guys, let's see what I have in this pouch. This is the favorite part. I have all my lipsticks here. Let me just take these. These are my favorite lipsticks. Okay guys, so let's start with this one. This is from a very special person that gifted me from LA18, Color Pops matte lipstick. This is the shade. I love this color. Then this one is also very close to my heart. My dad gifted me for the first time. He gifted me a lipstick. This is a red color. Yeah, I've used it a lot of times. Very close to my heart. Then I have this from Faces. Iska pura naam ud gaya because I've used it a lot of times, as you can see. This is from Faces. I really love this pink. Then this is a liquid lipstick from ADS. I used to use it for my college and all stuff. This is from Lakme 925. I use it for my flights sometimes, yeah. Then this is my most favorite lipstick. I use it like most of the time. I use it on my flights. This is from Maybelline, yeah, Maybelline Super Stay Matte Lip. I'll just tell you, show you the shade. Amazing shade it has. I feel like eating this. This is like really one of my favorite lipsticks. Then this is from Huda Beauty Liquid Matte. This is kind of reddish, kind of chocolatey, if you understand what I mean. I like this shade also. Then this is also from Huda Beauty. I've used it a lot of times. Dry bhi ho chuka hai ye. Then this is my favorite lipstick again from Huda Beauty. My sister got this for me. This is a very subtle nude kind of color. You can use it on like Indian dresses also. You can wear it on parties also, birthdays, anywhere you're going. You can just wear this lipstick and you are done. I use it a lot of times to make my YouTube videos or anything like TikToks and all that. So yeah, I really love this shade. One of my favorite lipsticks I have. Then this is from Max & More matte lipstick. This is a red lipstick which I really love. This gives you that hot, bloody red kind of a color. I love this one too. Then this is from Lakme Absolute matte lip color. This is the shade you get in this. This is also a very good shade. Okay, so this is a Calabar pink shade lipstick. This is in the shade Blush Crush 004. I really love this shade. I love pink lipsticks, but I was looking for a shade like this from a long time, and this is gifted by my sister, my cousin sister. She gifted me. She knew how badly I was in love with this color, so yeah, amazing, very special, very close to me. Then we come over here. These are my lip liners. Yeah, these are my lip liners from local market, but I really love all of them. मैंने बहुत use कर लिया इसको, sharpening भी नहीं है अभी तो. This is a red one, this is a nude one. This is also a lip liner. Then these are the lip crayons, brownish kind of. Then this is red kind of. I really love this one. This is a nude, but you know, this gives a different kind of look. I don't know what kind of color I should say, but this is very amazing color. Nude, but a different nude. Then this is again a creamy peach color. This is also a shade in red, I guess, red or maroon. Then yeah, this is the last liquid crayon that I have. That was it about my lipsticks, guys. Itna zyada nahi hai, but yeah, these are all my favorite colors that I have. So in this pouch I have very few, like my eyeliners, my mascara, eyebrow pencils and all that. Let me just show you. Okay, so these are the eyeliners. You can use it as, these are eyeliner kajals. Oh yeah, eyeliner kajals. You can use it as kajals, eyeliner, eyeshadow, whatever you feel like. I really love because shiny वाले मुझे नहीं मिल रहे थे काजल kind of, तो I really love these. I got it from Dubai again. This is the black, regular black color. So yeah. Then I have these normal eyebrow pencil. This is again an eyebrow pencil. Then this is a eyeliner, black eyeliner. Again, these are the eyeliners from Lakme. This is the black eyeliner. This is blue. Yeah. This is a kajal from Sugar. This is also a eye definer. No, this is not a kajal, sorry. This is an eye definer which is from Lakme Absolute. I really love this one. इसके पास यहाँ पे ये भी है, like to smudge. So yeah, I love this. Then I have this eyeliner from mini eyeliner from Laque Beauty. Sketch pen eyeliner. Then these are my gel long wear eyeliner. I ordered it online. I don't remember from where I ordered it. Yeah, so but then these are really good. You can try. I don't know what this Miss Claire glue for the fake lashes are here. I don't know what this is doing over here. Sorry. Then this is a colossal black color mascara. This is iconic Lakme curling blue mascara. So that was it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have liked the video and let me know in the comments below कि आप अपने मेकअप को कैसे organize and better way में रखते हो, because मेरा मेकअप अभी थोड़ा सा messy है. So let me know the organized tips and tricks that you guys follow to keep your makeup more organized way. And follow me on Instagram if you haven't, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and press that bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. Share it as much as you can, and thank you so much for watching.